In this video, we're breaking down how to create a Get Workflow action. Let's get into it. From the Search and Reporting homepage, we'll navigate to Settings, select Fields, then select Workflow Actions. In the upper right-hand corner, select New Workflow Action. To begin, from the drop-down menu, we'll select the app where we want the workflow action to be applied. Then, we'll create a name for our workflow action. This name will be used to reference the action in the UI, CLI, or REST API. Next, the label appears as a selectable menu item in search results. Therefore, choose a label that is clear and descriptive. If needed, you can limit the workflow action to specific fields. When those fields aren't present in the search results, the action won't appear. Additionally, you can limit the workflow action to apply to only certain event types. Up next, choose a menu where the workflow action should be available, either the event menu, the fields menu, or both. Next, select the action type. For Get Workflow Actions, choose Link as the type. Under Link configuration, we'll specify the URI with our field names wrapped in $signs. The field name will be replaced with the value of the field in the selected event. Then we'll select if we want to open in a new browser when the action is used. Then we'll choose Get for the link method to create a Get Workflow action. Review your workflow action and then select Save. To validate our workflow action, we'll navigate back to the Search and Reporting homepage. Then we'll run a search containing the src_IP field. Any event with a source IP field will have this Get Workflow action since it's not source type specific. To access our workflow action, we'll expand an event, click the Event Actions menu, or select the Field Actions menu for the src_IP field. Select the label we created to execute the workflow action. When we execute the workflow action, a new browser window opens with results for that IP.